Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Xiaomi Mix Flip, and let me share with you how to reset camera preferences on this device. So let's start with opening the camera app. And currently we are in the standard photo mode. However, the mode, it does not really matter in this case. You can find a restoring option whichever mode you will be. However, I just wanted to draw your attention to the grid lines. I've applied them before I've started recording because I'd like to show you a visual evidence that the reset option works. So, and the grid lines should disappear after resetting. All we have to do to reset the preferences is to open the upper bar. You can do it just by tapping on this arrow or simply swiping your finger from the top to the bottom. And here, let's tap on this settings icon in the right upper corner. Now we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find restore default settings and confirm it with OK. As you probably saw, the camera settings flashed a little bit, so that was a sign that we just successfully reset everything. We can go back to the camera, and here we've got the first evidence that the reset option worked, because we have to choose the style of our photos. So this is how it works. And the second final evidence, we did not have the grid lines, which means that we just successfully reset all camera preferences. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.